Sag. This is a Sagittarius bonus reading for the month of June. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Sag? Naghahanap pa rin ba ng adventure? Okay. This is a Sagittarius bonus reading for the month of June. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Alright. Let's see kung anong meron sa mga Sag. Last shuffle. Last shuffle. Alright. Okay. Anong chismis sa mga Sag? Ending of pain. Sobrang nasaktan sa isang situation. Okay. Right now, the feminine is trying to be on her, tap on her Empress energy na maging productive pa rin. At kung ano man yung mga tinuro sa kanya na lesson ng situation, nagkakaroon ng realization for the feminine na this is like a blessing in disguise, na walang aksidente, or lahat ito ay like divinely orchestrated for her to learn, for her to evolve, At merong situation din naman na matagal na rin naman yung pinag-iisipan kung dapat pang i-work out, and I feel nagkaroon na ng answer sa feminine. Okay? The masculine here is like merong mga lessons pa rin na kailangan matutunan yung masculine sa connection na to on how to love and take care of yung person na mahal niya. Right now, he's choosing, what's this? Parang nasa plateau yung energy ng masculine here. Pati work, napapabayaan, naka-leave ba, something like that. Parang gusto niyang mag-isa. Feeling niya huminto yung mundo niya, kung ano man yung nangyari dito sa connection na to. Okay? Because I feel the feminine here ended this connection. Tinapos niya yung pain, at parang huminto. Because of that, parang huminto yung mundo ng masculine. Nagulat siya. Hindi niya ina-expect. Kasi for the longest time, nagiging forgiving, loving, pasensyosa. Okay? So many chances ang binigay ng feminine. So right now, the masculine was taken aback na parang, shucks, kaya pala siyang iwanan ng feminine. Alright? Right now, wala akong nakikitang pag-uusap, especially sa side ng feminine. Wala siyang interest na magsalita, sumagot man lang, sobra siyang nasaktan. Okay? This is a very stable connection, but I feel someone is not ready to commit and to fully invest in this relationship. Nagkaroon ng competition, away, drama, because someone is not giving kung ano yung dapat para sa connection. Okay? Naging parang toxic tong connection na to. Do sayang, no? Because may soul contract, I feel this connection is divinely orchestrated, but the feminine feels na parang hindi nag-move forward tong relationship na to, umiikot lang sa toxicity. Okay? So right now, doon nakakalungkot, but both of you are trying to move forward na, at nagkaroon ng realization na hindi ito yung connection na para sa inyong dalawa. Okay? We could be dealing with an Aquarian, a Cancerian, a Capricorn, Taurus. Okay. Right now, you're trying to be happy and manifesting again. Manifesting again. But I don't feel na kung sino man yung nakasakit sa connection na to, I don't feel na ready na, no? At na ready na again to commit. Sag. The reason for the reading is the masculine in this connection, parang hindi siya ready, no, na magbigay ng stable connection, pagmamahal, lahat, no, lalo na in terms of yung kayang i-provide ng masculine. Maraming insecurities here na nagdala ng hindi magandang energy sa connection na to. Nagkaroon naman ng decision to stay and to make things work out a little bit longer. Ipinaglaban tong connection na to. Pinaglaban ang connection hanggang kaya. So, may pinagpipray here na Ano ba talagang natutunan sa sitwasyon? Dapat pa bang ilaban? May na-build ba talaga? May mga blind spots ba? Ano ba yung nangyari dito? Someone is asking for answers, clarity, and wisdom kay God. Right? Whew. Right now, I feel the masculine has the energy of napaka-stubborn, very controlling, may pagka-manipulative. Pag sinabi niya, nahihirapan siya to take personal accountability kung ano yung mga dapat niyang ayusin. Basta ang gusto niya is, because alam niya na lalaki siya, he has the mindset na dapat nasusunod siya at hindi siya sumusunod sa feminine, okay? Wala namang problema, no? As long as, maganda naman yung intention, especially kapag may mga bagay na dapat i-correct or i-align sa relationship. But napaka-stubborn nung energy ng masculine. Wala siyang nakikitang mali sa situation, sa ginagawa niya. Kaya sabi niya is walang dapat baguhin at hindi niya nabibigyan ng importansya yung idea or opinion ng feminine in this connection. Someone is not ready to commit. Someone is still enjoying the attention of the village, gusto pa rin ng outside validation aside from yung partner niya. Not really open. Siguro for some, parang this is like an open relationship. Pero sa iba, it's like yung isa is committed, yung isa is secretly having a connection outside this relationship. Nag-o-offer siya ng love sa iba. Okay? So, merong fear and doubt ngayon yung mga Sag kung tama pa ba na magkaroon ng like another reconnection or ayusin, bigyan ng chance tong person na to. Baka naman daw, this time, mas maayos na. Right? In the next 3 months, I feel kung sino yung magre-reach out at mangangako, kung sino yung nakasakit, no? Parang patching things up. But hindi ko nakikita yung totoong pagbabago here kasi kung ano man yung mga sasabihin at ipapangako, maaring meron pa rin mga lies, sugarcoating at ipapangako na hindi naman kayang tuparin. So because of that false promises, the feminine here would again feel na parang nakakapagod na sobra. Though you both acknowledge na this is a very strong soulmate connection na sinubukan naman talagang ayusin, but magkakaroon na ng decision until the next 3 months. The Lover's card. You might be also dealing with a Gemini. Clarify. Last, clarify. May clarification ba sa Lovers in reverse? Okay, I feel in the next 3 months, hindi pa rin magiging ganun ka-smooth, harmonious. Wala ako nakikitang maayos na pag-uusap. Pero wala rin naman ako nakikitang ending talaga, no, sa connection na to. So, Sag, use your discernment, trust your intuition kung dapat ba talagang bigyan pa ng another chance tong person na to. Because someone is not ready to love, to commit. Iba kasi yung naghahanap ng companion at iba yung ready for a relationship and partnership, alright? Companion is pwede lang, casual. But I feel one person here, kaya hindi pareho yung energy, kaya may disconnect, alright? And that would be the Sagittarius reading for the month, bonus reading for the month of June. See you again in a few days for your July reading. At PM nyo ako kung paano magkaroon ng blessed and ritualized na crystals na nakalagay sa beginning and the end of the video. Bye-bye, Sag!